How to move your goalkeeper on EFC 25. There are three ways to move your goalkeeper. The first one is the most known one, and it is used when you want to make your goalkeeper run straight through the ball, mostly used on 1v1 situations. You just need to hold triangle or Y on Xbox and he will run towards the ball. But do be careful for when and how you use it, because your opponent can simply just do a chip shot and cover your goalkeeper. The second option is an option that was nerfed on this game. On the other ones, you could move your keeper as free as you wanted, just pressing the right stick on your controller and move into the directions. Although on this game you can only move him 2 steps. For those who play the game for more time, you will know that this option used to be very effective, especially when you wanted to trick your opponent. Nowadays the players are more aware of that. The right stick can also move the goalkeeper on free kicks and corner, and you will be able to move him with no restrictions. The last one is, I believe, the least known. It can be used in very special situations, but can help you a lot. When you press triangle or Y in your Xbox 2 times, your keeper will automatically move to the opposite post that he is in. This method is great for corners and crossing. There is also an option to cancel it. You press one more time, making 3 times, and the keeper will return to his place.